Okay, hi guys, just thought I'd give you a sneak peek of what I've been working away on in the background. So I've not posted any videos due to the weather and God knows what, but I've done some building. So this is what I've been building. It's another Autogyro, another one of Richard Harris's design. This is a follow-on from the Gyroo that you've probably seen me fly. Only this version, as you can probably see, has the motor at the back. So this is a pusher version, and this will be known as the Gyroo 2. Okay, I've not tried a pusher version before. The other beta testers have said it flies quite well, so I'm hoping to get this one out as soon as the weather plays ball. Everything's nice and simple for you to get to, so it follows the same design concept as the original Gyroo, as if all the parts bolt on, so if you break something you can just replace that one part. Rudder control, speed controller, servos for the head, battery at the front, receiver there. So yeah, everything's easy to get at and easy to maintain. So that's what I've been working away on, and those are the blades for it. So all balanced and ready. I'm just hoping the weather will play ball for me next week. Unfortunately I am on call next week, so we'll just have to see how it goes. Alright guys, cheers, that was it, bye bye.